beatbox mašino mu pravimo. Sašo Vrabič! Najlepša hvala.
I think it's today, yeah. The girl that's driving me mad is going away. She's got a ticket to ride. She's got a ticket to ride. She's got a ticket to ride. She don't care. She said that living with me was bringing her down. Yeah, but she would let me free when I was around. She's got a ticket to ride. She's got a ticket to ride. She's got a ticket to ride. She don't care. I don't know why she's riding so high. She'll think that she'll do right by me before she gets to say goodbye. She'll think that she'll do right by me. She said that living with me was bringing her down. Yeah, she would never be free when I was around. She's got a ticket to ride. She's got a ticket to ride. She's got a ticket to ride. She don't care. She's got a ticket to ride. She's got a ticket to ride. But she don't care. Baby, don't care. Baby, 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 don't care. Don't care, baby, 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 don't care. Don't care, baby, 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 don't care. My baby don't.
Solo gitara, Tadej!
There's not a soul out there.
Here I go again. My, how can I resist you? Mamma mia, does it show again? My, just how much I miss you. Yes, I've been broken hearted. This is the day we parted. Why did I ever let you go? Mamma mia, now I really know. My, I could never let you go. So I say, I wasn't jealous before we met. Now every woman I see is a potential threat. But now it's true. Now everything is new. And all I've learned is overturned. I beg of you. Don't go wasting your emotions. Blame all your love on me.
Nothing special. I'm a bit of a bore. If I tell a joke, you probably heard it before. But I have a talent, a wonderful thing, 'cause everyone listens when I start to sing. I'm so grateful and proud. All I want is to sing it out loud. So I sing.
Friday night and the lights are low. Looking out for a place to go. When they play the right music, getting in sync, comes the working. When you get the chance, you are the dancing queen, young and sweet, only 17. Dancing queen, feel the beat from the tambourine. Oh yeah, you can dance, you can jive, having the time of your life. Ooh, see that girl, watch that scene, being the dancing queen. So I say, thank you for the music, the songs I'm singing. Thanks for all the joy that I'm bringing. Who can live without it? I ask in all honesty. What will life be without a song? And that's what are we. So I say thank you for the music. Giving it to me.
Hvala lepa. Agnem Mečku so vas navduševali. Nastja, Karin, Klemen, Anja, Vanja in Jan. Najlepša hvala. Če si morda kdaj pogledate kakšen video na YouTubeu, poleg naše Afrike, si lahko gledate še enega naših najnovejših spotov, videospotov, to je prav videospot od že slišanega venčka Abba Medley. Pejte si ga pogledati, ker je kar fajn.
She's coming in 12:35. The moonlit wings reflect the stars that guide me towards salvation. I stopped alone and along the way, hoping to find some long-forgotten words or ancient melodies. He turned to me as if to say, hurry boy, it's waiting there for you. Restless, longing for some solitary company. I know that I must do what's right. Sure as Kilimanjaro rises like the rivers above the sanity. I seek to cure what's in desire, right above this thing that I've become.
večer.
Ti opet se budim
Kolektorju, najlepša hvala Idriji, vam Idrija. To je bila naša predzadnja skladba, v uradnem delu seveda, v tistem ta napisanem. Z vami smo bili Perpetuum Jazzile, še enkrat hvala za povabilo. Zelo smo veseli, da smo lahko prisostvovali temu dogodku. Če vam slučajno danes še ni bilo dovolj, obiščite našo spletno stran, pa našo Facebook stran, pa nam povete, kako ste se danes imeli na našem koncertu. Thank you very much for your company, the non-Slovenian speaking guests. Thank you very much for being here. We still are Perpetuum Jazzile, and we are very honored, we have been very honored to be here tonight with you all. Thank you very, very much.
Give you all that you